it's Michelle. So I'm just here again very quickly to show you this absolutely stunning wig that I'm wearing. This is gorgeous and I am so excited. This is her straight from box. I'm just putting my hands through her now and she is so blooming beautiful. This is Aurora by Jon Renau and she is just amazing in every single way. She is gorgeous, heat friendly fibre, so if you wanted you could get your flat irons and you can make her poker straight, which I will not be doing because I just adore the curl. I love this. I will insert the links for you guys. She is beautiful and we have the most insane amazing cap with your ear-to-ear lace front, your full single mono top so you can change that parting. It looks like that hair's growing out your very own head, and a fully hand-tied cap. Absolutely stunning. And these kind of, this looks like a big kind of bouncy blow dry type look that's been given to this wig. It's just so glamorous and beautiful. The wig feels so lightweight. It's very natural. The way it just sits against your head. It's nice and flush. You're not kind of overrun with permatage. You're not got loads of volume that you're not used to seeing when you have hair loss. It is just so natural and so gorgeous and just beautiful, and comes in a range of such gorgeous shades. Now these HD fibres from these wigs from Jon Renau are just so amazing, so amazing. To me they seem different than the HD, slightly different, not majorly, but like they just seem more rugged, like as in longer wearing than the likes of what I remember from years ago in my Drew. That might be me having a poor memory, I don't know, but certainly these are just really beautiful and just incredible quality. Really lovely. Oh, I don't even know what else to say. Let's show you the inside of the wig. This is so, I might be speaking quickly because I'm so excited. So we've said, like, you've got your ear-to-ear lace front, your single welded monofilament top, your fully hand-tied cap with your Jon Renau 360-degree stretch section in there. We have your velvet adjusters and Velcro adjusters on your velvet nape, and we've got your velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays inside. Now this just looks so beautiful. It really does look so natural. This colour is called Shaded Mocha. It's a kind of one of your, I would call it a blonde. It's not blonde and it's not brown. It's your kind of in-betweeny type thing. There are so many highlights through this. It is really stunning, really beautiful. Now one thing I would say with any heat friendly, well with any synthetic wig, but especially with heat friendly fibres, because they are quite delicate fibre, the Jon Renau make a spray called an HD Smooth Detangler. Now every day before I would wear a wig, what I would do is from about kind of chin level down, just avoiding the cap, I would give a couple of spritzes over the wig and then use my comb, because with the Jon Renau heat friendly wigs you do actually get one of the combs with your wig in the box. So there are also care instructions that come here and on the back of this leaflet that you have with the Jon Renau new range. On the back it tells you your heat friendly synthetic care. So yeah, really gorgeous, really beautiful. This is just, I mean, you can tie her up, you can have her half up half down. I think just with these curls it looks like I've made some sort of real effort to my hair that I've not. I have just grabbed it and held it up. You know, so you can obviously tie her up if you want, you can wear it down. I go through phases of tying my wigs up a lot, and then I go through phases where I wear them down a lot. Whenever there's some sort of nice face framing layer or shorter bangs or anything like that, I'm more inclined to wear my wigs up and off my face. When there's not, and I've been too lazy to cut anything like that in, I tend to just wear the wig down. I don't know if I prefer this down or up. I love this so much in every way. Like, this style is really gorgeous, and I feel a kind of passion and excitement for Jon Renau again that I remember I used to have whenever there were new launches coming out. And then, I don't know, maybe it's just me and how I was personally and health wise and adapting to kind of life being disabled now. I don't know if it was just my mood that I was not so excited anymore with certain launches, but it may have just been that, or it may just be that these launches are so much more exciting now and I feel how I used to feel with the Jon Renau launch, because certainly honestly they're just knocking it out the park. Their human hair launch was incredible with the Chinese human hair. these HD wigs from round 1 HD launch 2024 and this round 2 HD launch. It's just so exciting, it's so exciting, and they've really taken on board what people like us who wear wigs are saying. You know, we want something that looks natural. We don't want to look like we've got a Lego head, a big huge wig head and tons of permatease, and we just want to feel good, to look good, to have a wig that's good quality and that there's consistency in that quality and it doesn't vary like with each purchase sort of thing. And like, I feel like John and O have just addressed all of that, and they have just like done such an amazing job, and their product design team are just so I mean, I know the guys there, and Daniela, who's the head for product design, honestly, she just has this vision. It's incredible. She has so much talent, and the whole product design team, product development team there actually at John and O, every one of them that I have met, like, and it, yeah, 4 of them that I am thinking, there might be more, don't know, but they're so dedicated and so passionate, and I think it's coming through with these new styles, and we're really seeing it, and we know that they are listening to what people like us say, which is really cool, because at the end of the day, you know, living with hair loss can be difficult. So when you have a wig company who actually understand and want to listen and want to address anything that you're asking for, it really is special, and it really means a lot. So guys, anyway, I'm going to head off because I could talk forever, but this is Aurora from John and O, and this is Shaded Mocha 24BT18s8, and she is so beautiful. So guys, keep sparkling, be your own beautiful. I will see you guys very soon with another wig review. Mwah! Bye!